Okay, this sounds insane. Okay guys, so those of you that follow my channel will know that I have been teasing a second AMG for the channel, an ABAUTO weekend car. And I thought to myself, what better car than the bi-turbo V8 C63? So that little clip there was a point of view drive of my first ever drive in a C63. And I've got to say guys, it was incredible. That exhaust and that V8, oh, it just roars. So what I really want to know is, what do you guys think? Should I buy a C63 for the channel? I mean, if I bought it, it would of course be for me because I absolutely love the car and it's so much fun, but it would just as much be for all of you guys too. This car would be purchased as an investment for YouTube content because I really, really want to push the channel to the next level. And I don't know about you guys, but having a CLA 45S, the 4-cylinder engine, and then also the C63 with the V8 side by side would be incredible for content, because I know there's people out there that are really interested in the modern AMGs with the smaller engines, and there's people that just die for the V8. And to be honest, I absolutely love both. And yeah, I could borrow a C63 and I could compare it to the CLA, but for me, there's nothing better than that true owner's experience. You know, I like to make videos about cars that I own, cars that I bought myself, and cars that I love. And I love both of these cars. So as you probably noticed, the car that we drove today was actually the Estate, or the wagon for my American viewers. Now, this is a super cool car and it's a sleeper and I love it. And I know that the wagons and the Estates have a great following online, but guys, this is the ABAUTO weekend car. It needs to be obnoxiously unpractical, even though it's not super unpractical. I really want to go for the Coupe because I just think it looks the best. It's the best weekend car, and I've always loved the shape of the C-Class Coupe. I used to own a C300, so this is kind of a knockback to that, but a much bigger engine and just a crazy exhaust note. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to start going on Auto Trader. I'm going to start hunting all around the country for different C-Classes, C63s, and we're going to be looking specifically first at the Coupe because I really want to own the coupe. Now, I said before, guys, this is all about you. I want you to be as involved in this, and I want you to experience it with me. So when I find a car on Auto Trader and I go and view it, I'm going to grab my camera, I'm going to vlog it, I'm going to show it to you guys. I want you to be part of the journey. We're going to look at cars. We might see some good ones. We might see some bad ones. We might just find one straight away that's perfect. But I'm going to do everything I can to get my hands on this car. But let me know what you think. I've got a feeling that I think a lot of you are going to want the C63 on the channel, but if anyone thinks I shouldn't get a C63, a bit like a wedding, if anyone thinks these two should not be parted, say now. Just post it in the comments. But honestly, guys, I think this car would push the channel to the next level. Anyway, so we're going to go on a hunt. It begins now. We're going to start looking at cars. I'm going to film the whole process, and fingers crossed, we will have a C63 on the channel, and the content is just going to be crazy because we're going to do some tasteful mods to it. Similar stuff I did to my C43, but I'm going to keep the exhaust stock probably because it just sounds incredible, but you never know. We might end up with some downpipes later down the line. We could do a tasteful wrap. Don't worry, not one of those crazy over-the-top YouTube wraps. I'm thinking like a cool satin grey or a satin red or a satin blue. Do you remember the brilliant blue C43? Imagine a matte satin blue with all the black wheels and the black accents. Oh, it could just look awesome. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to keep going on because I'm super excited just thinking about the C63. But guys, if you are psyched for the C63 like me and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it when hopefully, I can't make any promises, guys, but I'm going to do everything I can to get this car. And yeah, it's going to be one hell of a journey. The content is going to be crazy. I am so excited for the channel this year and all the videos coming. And of course, we've still got loads of great content coming with the CLA 45S. I love this car and I'm going to daily drive this car to death. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments what you think about the C63. You know, help me make the choice to buy it. But yeah, guys, one thing I do need to say, I can't end this video without saying a huge thank you to all you guys for watching and supporting the channel, because I'm going to be honest, I'm just a normal guy like you that just is crazy and loves cars. I have a full-time job that I work very hard at, and that funds my CLA 45S. I work hard, and for me this car is a nice little reward. But I've got to be honest with you, if it was not for the YouTube channel, there would be no way in hell I would be buying a second AMG. I just simply could not afford it, and it would just not be a good financial move. But with the channel and the channel potentially growing with the car and the content I can make with the car, it actually makes a pretty sound financial investment. And for me, that is incredible. And from the bottom of my heart, I'm just so thankful and so humble. And yeah, really just thank you guys so much. And I really appreciate you guys. And I really, in the near future, I mean, I'm going to have my free giveaway coming up soon, but you know, if this channel gets huge, I'm going to thank you guys. And yeah, I'm going to try and give away cars if I can. That is my goal, because I love doing this so much. And if it allows me to own a second AMG, that is just crazy. So I'm going to work really, really hard on the channel. I'm going to work really, really hard in my full-time job, and we're going to get a C63 for the channel. So make sure you subscribe, guys, so you don't miss it. Of course, as well, hit that like button if you like the C63 and you think I should buy it. But I'm going to stop yapping because I could just go on forever about this car because I just love it. But hey, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you next time.